Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you have been following my Excel for beginners videos, so those initial videos were for someone who has never used or seen Excel before, and to help them have a feel of Excel and to navigate their way around Excel. Now we're actually going to go into the most exciting part, and that's to do with calculations. Do not get daunted by the idea, because Excel is really powerful and can actually help you with any type of calculation. All you need is to understand exactly how Excel thinks, and then you can tell Excel to do exactly anything for you. And as you unlock the potential of Excel, you will be using more of the formulas and functions. Formulas are something like, for instance, you can use a formula to do your monthly sales calculation, company's liability. And as you get more into the complex formulas, you can even do amortization, a loan, depreciation tables. You can even do calculations of your employee bonuses and commissions as well. Now, you might pause for a moment, and you might ask me, Nazia, what's the difference between a formula and a function? So a formula is something that you can do on a calculator. For instance, you can do mathematical operations like addition, multiplications on a calculator. That's a formula. Now, when you have something more complex, say if you have to add up like thousands of values, it's not really feasible to do that on a calculator. So that's where Excel has given an option of a function. A function is a miniature program that actually helps you to do the exact same calculation in a matter of seconds. So in the next couple of videos, we're going to actually explore some basic formulas, and we're also going to dive into some functions. And I might also have a bit of a surprise for you in the end, so do stay tuned for that. Do remember that formulas are really a critical part of Excel, and you need to understand exactly how a formula works for you to excel and to master them. And the only way that you can do is by practice, and more practice, because practice makes permanent. So guys, follow along and let's dive right into it. Okay. Alright guys, let's get started. Now, don't feel nervous about performing calculations, because for most people that's where the concern lies. So we're going to start from the very beginning by breaking down simple calculations called formulas. So imagine that we run a small gym and we have 20 male members and we've got 10 female members, and we would like to find a total membership. I could get started by clicking on the cell, press equal, and if you follow these two steps, you're nearly halfway there. Now, I can go ahead and do my calculation the way I do it on a calculator, which is to do 20 plus 10, press enter, and there I have my answer. It is a right answer, but it's not very quick, because if any of these two values change, I am going to end up with a wrong answer. So let's go ahead and do it the Excel way. I'm going to click here and press delete, and now I'm going to click equal, click on my first value, do a plus, click on my second value, and press enter. So there you have it, nice and easy. And the best part is that if any of these two values change, let's say for instance the female membership suddenly goes up to 15, you can notice that Excel has automatically done the recalculation, and that is the power of Excel. Let me just do undo, which is Control Z. And now we're going to take a look at how to do subtraction. So I would like to find a difference between my male and female membership. I'm going to go ahead and follow the steps. Click on the cell, press equal, click on my first value, do a minus, which is a simple dash, click on my second value, press enter, and there I have my subtraction. So we've seen that if you have to do addition, you use plus. If you want to do a subtraction, you use minus. To do a multiplication, you're going to use asterisk, and to do a division, you're going to use a forward slash. So imagine that for every member, you need to be having at least 3 towels. So here, I'm going to do an equal, and I'm going to take my total membership, do an asterisk, which is Shift 8, and click on my value 3, press enter, and there you have the answer. If you have to do division, that's also kind of the same way. So for every 5 members, if I need to be having 1 instructor, I'm going to again take my total members and divide that by 5. So let's go ahead and put it in practice. Click on the cell, do equal, total members, do a /, click on 5 and press enter. So you can see that this is really nice and straightforward, and that is how you work with basic formulas in Excel. Now in our next video, we're going to apply all of these to a real world problem. So stay tuned. Well guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, until next time, stay tuned. Much love. God bless. Bye.